Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Adobe Photoshop Express on your Windows PC using the Microsoft Store. It's super quick and easy. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Once it appears, click on it to open. Inside the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar at the top and type Adobe Photoshop Express. Hit Enter and you'll see it show up in the results. Click on Adobe Photoshop Express from the list. Now hit the Install button. Wait a few moments while it downloads and installs to your system. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a button that says Open. Click it to launch Adobe Photoshop Express. You might be asked to sign in with your Adobe account. Go ahead and do that if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully installed Adobe Photoshop Express on your Windows PC. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more easy guides, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next.